Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to delete the description of a group on the Telegram app for PC, following the latest update. If you're an admin and want to remove your group's description for a fresh start, or to keep things simple, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and using the latest version so you have access to all the newest features and settings. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change or delete the group description, so double-check your role if you don't see the right options. Once inside the group, look towards the top right corner of the window for the three dots icon. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can edit details like the group name, photo, and description. Now, locate the description section. You'll see the current description displayed in a text box. Click inside this box to edit the text. To delete the description, simply select all the text and press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard until the box is empty. After clearing the description, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your changes. The group description will now be removed, and your group will no longer display any description to its members. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the description of your Telegram group on PC. This quick process helps keep your group information up to date and clutter-free. If you ever want to add a new description, just repeat these steps and enter your new text before saving. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for easy tips on managing your Telegram groups and chats.